Hey, Roxy. Roxy, you're a good girl. Oh, look at her. What's going on? Oh, I know. You want to go to the dog park? You want to go to the dog park? You want to play with the doggies? Huh? You want to play with the doggies? Huh? Does Roxy want to play with the doggies? Oh, yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. It's okay. You miss your friend Gerard? Oh, look at her. You miss your friend Gerard? You miss Gerard? Oh, yes, you do. Is he here? Is he here? Huh? Where's he at? Maybe he's here. Is Gerard here? Oh, he's here? He's here? It's okay, baby. It's okay. Is he here? Is he here? Go check him out. He's here. He's here. Go look through the window. He's here. Oh, yes. Yo, go look for him. Is he here? Oh, he's not here. I'm sorry. You good girl. It's okay, baby. We're gonna go to him soon. It's okay. You're gonna play with him. Oh, look at her. It's okay, you good girl. Relax. That's okay. You're a brat. Look at you, Roxy. You're spoiled. I always take you out. Look at you. Good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Come on, sit down. Sleep. You're a good girl, Roxy.